After the guns fell silent and the Third Reich lay in ruins, the world faced a monumental question. How should justice be served to those responsible for the unprecedented horrors of the war? The answer came in the form of the Nuremberg Trials, a series of military tribunals held from 1945 to 1946, where top Nazi leaders were prosecuted for crimes against peace, war crimes, and crimes against humanity. 24 high-ranking officials stood accused, including Hermann Göring, Rudolf Hess, and Joachim von Ribbentrop. They were not judged by a single country, but by an international tribunal composed of representatives from the United States, the United Kingdom, the Soviet Union, and France. The goal was not vengeance, but the establishment of a legal precedent, that individuals, even heads of state, could be held accountable for atrocities committed under the guise of state policy. The evidence presented was overwhelming. Mountains of documents, footage from liberated concentration camps, and testimony from survivors painted a damning picture of systematic genocide, forced labor, and aggressive war planning. For the first time in history, the term genocide entered legal discourse, and the Holocaust was laid bare before the world in excruciating detail. The defense argued that the accused were following orders or acting under the laws of their own country. But the tribunal rejected this reasoning, affirming that moral responsibility transcends national command. In the end, 12 defendants were sentenced to death, 3 were acquitted, and the rest received varying prison terms. The Nuremberg Trials marked a turning point in international law. They helped birth the modern concept of human rights and paved the way for future courts like The Hague. More importantly, they delivered a message that still echoes decades later. Crimes against humanity will not be forgotten, and justice, even if delayed, can still be served.